This is the Weather Extreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 28th of April. James Spann here. It's cold out there this morning, but got a couple of great days ahead. The big question still involves the weekend. Will we have any chance of severe weather or heavy rain here? Let's talk about it. Take a look at out the window this morning with the Skycam shots. Hey, that's nice. That's the Gulf Shores shot coming from the Phoenix All Suites. That's the Alabama State Pier off in the distance. Sky crystal clear. Up this way, man, it's chilly. That's the Gadsden Skycam. The airport observation there showing 39 degrees. And I would imagine some of the colder valleys could be down there in the mid-30s, maybe some frost in scattered spots. And from Tuscaloosa, that's looking east from the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse. There you go, the big trough that passed through here yesterday, that impulse is on to the east. News trough out west. We are in between, so things will be nice and quiet today. And look at there. Haleyville, 38. Gadsden, 39. Yeah. Not many more like this before the summer gets here. Birmingham at 44. We'll warm up to near 70 today. On the watch warning map, hang on to your hat. A lot of wind advisories out west with that big trough. Have some blowing dust in the deserts of Arizona later today and early tonight, but of course the east is in pretty good shape. Convective outlooks. This is day 2 tomorrow or Thursday. A slight risk of severe weather from near the Red River up to Wichita, Omaha, Des Moines, and just about Minneapolis, St. Paul. Now, day 3, Friday, a larger risk from Louisiana to Michigan and Wisconsin. And within that, we have a couple of enhanced areas. The 30% probabilities cover cities like Jackson, Little Rock, Memphis, Monroe, Louisiana, like they really need more of that. And up north, an enhanced risk, a 30% risk in the area from Des Moines over to Chicago. And then on day 4, which is Saturday, there is a risk of severe weather over the northwestern corner of Alabama. It runs basically from Tyler and Longview, Texas, up to about Columbus, Ohio. And that includes Jackson, Memphis, Nashville, Little Rock. And again, we'll dig deeper and see what's up with that. Here's a look at the GFS. This is the OZ run, valid at 1 o'clock today at 500 millibars. You can see how we got ridging in between the two troughs, northwest flow aloft here, so things will be nice. Sunny, close to 70 today. Tomorrow, we warm up to near 80 with a sunny sky. And then Friday, there's your trough out west. And again, it's the battle between the ridge over Florida in the southeast and the trough out west. And somebody in there is going to get socked with heavy rain and big storms. And on Friday, it looks like that main zone will be well to the west of here. Friday should be a warm and breezy day. And there could be a shower in spots, but it sure looks like all of the main activity will stay well to the west. And then Saturday, starting off the weekend, the primary surface low that's awfully deep, I can't tell how deep that thing is. It's like 976 millibars, I think, up into Canada. The trailing front just kind of stalls out. And again, the main zone, the most concentrated activity would seem to be north and west of here. Nashville, Memphis, Little Rock. While, yes, we could see a few showers around, it sure looks like the bulk of the day will be dry. And then Sunday, it's the same deal, a 588 ridge nosing in from Florida, keeping the trough to the west. And accordingly, the bulk of that really heavy rain stays over the northwestern corner of the state, while it could be from Birmingham south totally dry. So places like Clanton and Roanoke and Montgomery, Demopolis, Selma, no rain at all. Heavy rain falling from Muscle Shoals. And, of course, any little variation in that will change things a lot for folks, and we'll spin it that way in the forecast. And then Monday, the band slowly begins to sag in here. And Tuesday looks pretty wet. And again, severe weather probably not likely. There's not a lot of major dynamic support there, but the main issue would be the possibility of heavy rain. So early next week looks awfully wet. And then finally, Wednesday, a nice trough forms over the east, and that pushes the rain out of here with a deep surface low up there around Baltimore. We'll check the end of the forecast on the 13th of May, and pure modeled madness. Everything out here just looks different from run to run. On this run, it's a trough over the east and a departing storm, but the confidence out there is awfully low. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog, the next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.